Okay, everybody, I'm going to now show you how to calculate these different statistics using StatCrunch instead of by hand. So I'm going to open up StatCrunch here. Now you could either manually type in those data values, or if it's something from our textbook, you could load them from the textbook. But this, I actually have saved this, so I'm going to load it from shared. If I've shared anything with you, you should be able to search my name, and then I actually have saved this bit of data under children's heights. So I can do that and it will load up for me. Now this isn't that much, I could have typed that in. But to calculate those things, I want to go under Stat and Summary Stats columns. Height is the only column we have, so that's the one we're interested in. And then I'm going to basically go down here and just control click on the ones that I want. So I want median, and then I'm going to hit control. It will then allow me to choose range, Q1, Q3, and IQR. And those are the 5 that we calculated. So I can pull that over here and compare those to the numbers that we got on our paper, and you'll notice that they are exactly the same. So that's how you can find them on StatCrunch.